Are your image line apps crashing due to the Zgameeditor-visualizer module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. As we prepare to resolve Zgameeditor-visualizer module, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the Zgameeditor-visualizer module, the core execution library for the Zgameeditor-visualizer plugin in FL Studio. It handles real-time GPU-accelerated video generation synced to audio. If missing, the Visualizer tab in FL Studio will report, "Plugin could not be loaded," effectively breaking the project's video export capabilities. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. Zgameeditor-visualizer is a critical dependency for games and graphics-heavy apps. I suggest installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore your system's legacy DirectX routines, followed by a GPU driver update to handle any modern compute or OpenGL requirements. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Zgameeditor-visualizer module file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Ensure your PC remains under warranty and functional by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files, like Zgameeditor-visualizer module DLL. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. The repair utility linked in the description provides structured information on managing Zgameeditor, visualizer module, and system health. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Zgameeditor-visualizer module from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.